All right, y'all, here we go again with another unboxing. I just received this package in the mail today. Let's open it up and see what it is. I know what it is, but y'all don't know what it is. All right, here we go. Got my trusty little knife. Let's open this bad boy up. I mean, this bad girl up. This girl bad. Not a boy, a girl. That's what we're going with. Amazon. The Air Plus crap. Let me just set that back in there. All right, here go the box. Gonna set it to the side real quick. Y'all didn't see it. Throw that to the side. And here we go. Yep, you guessed it. Probably didn't guess it, but got some earbuds, man. Some more earbuds. JBL Harman, pure bass zero cables, fast pair Bluetooth. Let's get this off here. Wrapper. Dang it. I missed that too. That's some bull. All right. As you can see, these are the Tune125. All right, y'all, here we go. Let's open these bad boys up. It says is that little sign right there. That's Google Fast Pair Bluetooth. I believe these came out back in like 2020. I think it was 2020. I believe. But here they go. The box. Let me see if there's anything special on here I should know. Let me read this. True Wireless, comfort fit, hands-free, studio calls, 100% sans feel, port comfortable, Apple mains. Oh, that's never mind. I think that's something I ain't got to worry about. All right. All right, it's a total of 32 hours. I don't know what the 32 hours is for. I don't know if it's just talk time or whatever. I don't know, but it says 8 hours here. I believe that's 8 hours of talk and playback time, I believe. I ain't sure. And then it got 24 hours when it's in the case. I believe that's what that is. Let's see. Anything else? All right, it uses USB Type-C. It has Bluetooth 5.0. 15-minute charge. It got fast charge apparently. 15 minutes equals 1 hour of music. I don't know. We don't have to get to that. I have no idea, dog. All right, let's open this bad boy up and see what's in there. Hold up. Whew. Man, bless me. Let's pop this open. Nothing else in the box look like other than what's right here. Let's set this to the side and get this paper thing off from under here. Slide this here. See what's up in here. My boy Floss say usual books and stuff. File them and pluck them. I ain't gonna use your stuff, big dog, though, but you know I'll be up on Floss. Listening to his unboxings and everything, man, and watching them. Yeah, Floss my dog. All right, but we're gonna set these to the side, man. Kick them bad boys over there. All right, here we go. The meat and potatoes. We're gonna start with this. As you can see, we got a USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable. Oops. JBL. And if you know anything about JBL, you know JBL makes some good speakers. I used to have some speakers, JBL speakers for my car. I had like two 12-inch speakers for about, hey, I paid a pretty penny for them most too, and had them in my trunk, in a box and everything, everything set up, deck, all that. Man, it sounded so good. JBL made some great speakers. Back in the day, now that was back in the 90s. Yeah, I just gave my age away, huh? No, I didn't. All right, but yeah, it comes with, as you can see, what's this, 4 different earbud tips. Okay, so put that back down. Let's get the box out. I mean, not box for this headphones. This box, it's a nice size box, man. I ain't know this one was this big. It don't look that big on camera. This box, man, not okay. Trust me, it's big. No, I'm just playing, but let me stop. Look at this, man. It's nice, but I mean, the box, it is a little, I didn't expect it to be this loose. Thought it would be more tighter. I like it tight. Oh man, let me stop. But in comparison, this is a cheap version this is my daughter's. And as you can see, look at that. Look at the size of them. Look at that. I'm gonna go get my other ones. Hold on a second. All right, y'all remember one of my videos that I recorded? I had did unboxing and I did a follow up with these right here. These are Santana earbuds. These right here, I'm gonna compare them to these, but thing is, look at the size of it compared to that. Much smaller, ain't it? Man, that's gonna be a game changer, dog. Like, could that thing fit in my pocket? My goodness, man. That ain't huge. My goodness. Let me set that to the side. Y'all wanna see these? Let's go ahead and check these out. These are my daughters. Look at that, not a drop. She'll be mad at me. She don't want no more. Or maybe she do. I don't know. I'll wash it off. I'm gonna set that to the side. But these here, guess what? These died on me. They went completely dead on me, y'all. They're done. You can kick, these mothers can kick rocks. I could throw them in the corner and leave them there. They done. Oh, dang, hold on. I'm wondering, like, what is that? What's going on? My bad. Music was playing in my daughter's headphones out of nowhere. Earbuds. But yeah, these died on me, man. Completely died on me. So I had to get some new ones. So ordered these the other day. They came today. And here we go. I didn't realize this was going to be that big, man. Like, this mug is huge. This mug better have a lot of battery life as big as this mug is. My goodness. I know the ear pieces is big, as you can see. That's how I look inside. Some prongs. Closer look up in there. All right. JBL. JBL make good speakers, man. We'll see. USB Type-C. That little metal piece right there. I don't know. We won't see. Hopefully they don't be scratching me or nothing, man. Look at that. You see this? Uh-oh. Came up. You know, you gotta shake this mug real hard for it to come up. So it can come up. Anyways, let's set that to the side and check. Let's pull out what you all been wanting to see. Let's pull these bad boys. Let's pull these girls out. There you go. JBL earbuds. That's how they look. They feel pretty light, man. They don't seem bad. And this right here, I don't know if you know, but this is a button you push. to do different things, like to change the songs, to pause it, play, whatever, answer the phone, whatever. This is a physical button you can push down. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna cut it on in a minute. So, oh, I'm gonna say why this one didn't come with one end. This one came off. Man, come on, man. There we go. Had to get this earpiece cushion, tip, whatever you want to call it, back on here. My bad, y'all. All right, this is the left one. This is the right one. Let me see if I push and hold this button. Let's see what happens. Okay. Looks like we got some. All right, y'all. It stopped my recording for a minute. It's trying to pair to this phone, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to pair it to my Surface Duo 2 I got. So I'm gonna put these in here and see what happens. It's the right one. Okay, you see the three little lights coming on. Set that down up in there. Boom, they snap right on in there. And this is how it looks in there. Yeah, that's what she said, huh? When it's in there, that's how it look. Nah, man, let me stop, dog. But let me do it. See? There you go. All right, I just tested it for y'all, so they don't just stay in there. I mean, who gonna flip it that hard? If it fall, they may come out. If you just doing it, flipping it like that, they ain't gonna come out. You gotta do it much harder than that. And I just tested it, and it came out. So I just dropped my earbuds. First time, I just got them and dropping them already. You see that? See, but I'm doing this for y'all, man. I was testing it for y'all to see how durable they were and how sturdy and steady this thing was and how long they could stay in there. I think I put it, yeah. So, all right, I put it in the right holes, as I always do. Giggity. But, yeah, that's how they look, man. Like I said, these, you can push these. I'm going to pair these to my Surface Duo. I don't know if y'all want to see that. You know what? Let me show y'all that. All right, y'all, we back, and there it goes, my Surface Duo 2. I mean, I got some stuff on the screen, so I'm trying to see if they take it back and give me a new one. There's some stuff stuck on my screen somehow. Hey, I don't know if it's up under it or what, but it's garbage. Okay, so hopefully they give me a new one, and we go from there. But let's see. Let's open this up. See if I can do it like this. Can I pair them in there? What's that? See, it's like white right now. Let me see. Like I turned them off. All right, y'all. Maybe I need to take them out. Let's see, I'm gonna pair them one by one then. How about that? All right, see. There you go. See, connect on Surface Duo 2. Gonna connect that. Connecting. Device connected. Let me see if I need to do the other one. There we go. Connected. Bam. Connecting that one now. Device connected. Let's go. And they are connected, y'all. Now, what I'm going to do is, I ain't going to listen to the music or nothing right now. I don't want to get no copyright or what have you, but I'm going to do it and do a follow-up and let y'all know how they, you know, how they sound, the call quality, sound quality, how durable they are. Let me see. Oh, the battery life and all that. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all all that and tell y'all all that. And if y'all want to buy them, I'm gonna tell you right now. These things are on sale. The regular price was $99. These things are on sale right now for $50. I bought these on eBay. Not eBay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, not eBay. I bought these on Amazon for $50. Look, dog, $50. I mean, these were $17, and look what happened to those. Didn't last long. I had some cheap ones that lasted longer than these. They was like $4, and they lasted what, like 2 years till they went out. Let me compare the size of these right quick. Yep. Again, that's what she said. Look at that. Let me put them in my hand like that. Stop trying to pair to my phone, man. I already got it paired. All right, so that's the size of them right there. These right here, they was all right, but I'm mad what they did, man. They didn't have to just croak like that on me. But it is what it is, man. We already got them connected. What is they doing? All right, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'll get back with y'all with a review. Peace out. Oh, I must say, as always, man, please, please, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Help a brother out. You feel me? All right, man. Deuces, y'all.